Once again, ladies and gentlemen,
Diyos maray na pagkaaga mga tugang, asaw sa tuyo mga paraan tabay. Live ngunyan ang DZGB News sa Legazpi City Convention Center. Digdi sa Barangay Cruzada, Legazpi City. Kung sa ngunyan na pagkaaldaw, gigibon ang closing ceremony kana ginibong palarong Bicol 2026. Ngunyan na sa kuyang likodan ang mga delegasyon, mga atleta kan tracing division kan Department of Education Bicol kung sa inakatalaan silang tawan ni recognition manungod sa indang mga akomplishmento sa rong simanang karawat digdi sa man iba-ibang mga venues digdi sa Legazpi City. Anay ngenot digdi sa tuyang aktibidad iyo ang mismong Regional Director kan Department of Education Bicol sa pangenot iyan ni Regional Director Gilbert Sadsad kaibahan an sa iyang Assistant Regional Director si Sir 𝐵𝐵𝐵 Centillas as in syempre ang Regional Sports Coordinator na si Sir Dexter Sison. Kasubago nag-igwa na katanin ni initial na pagkipaguron sa Sports Coordinator kan panrehiyon digdi sa DepEd Bicol dahil ta nakahurun ta kung kumusta asin ano man ang assessment tinda manungod po di sarong simanang kompetisyon. And sigun sa iya, naging matarayum po ang sarong simanang aktibidad digdi sa Legazpi City dahilan niya tawara nin mga nairehistrong mga untoward incidents pero na sa duman sa mga minor injuries na tulos man na natatauhanin magakanigong atensyon medical kan mga nakaresponde o mga nakastandby na mga medics. Itong sasanabi ni Season na naging matiwasay, matanos asin nakabasado man ayon ini sa national standard kan panrehiyon na kompetisyon. And syempre next move na ninda iyo po tabi itong preparasyon man sa papaabuton na palarong pambansa 2026. And kasubago sabi na naunambitan niya na nahihapot ako na ano ang magiging pasistema kan mga delegasyon. Syempre man iba-iba hali itong mga nanggana sa basketball, sa volleyball asin iba pa. Ang sinabi ni Sir Dexter Sison na magkakaigwan ng division base na training duman sa mga atletang ito and matalaan na sana kuno arena bulan before pa man kay itong pagpuon ka na palarong pambansa. And magkakaigo po sindanin na materipon sa sarong division. It's either sa Legazpi City or sa Ligao City or kung may ma-identify pa sindang ibang parte o ibang parte digdi sa mainland kana probinsya kan Albay tanganing matutukan ito po tabi na pag-i-ensayo man kan mga atleta hali sa Bicol Region na ma-represental ka na Bicol Region para po sa palarong pambansa. And sa presente nagkakaigwanan nin performance and Mariners Drum and Larka Corps digdi sa laog ka na Ibalong Sancho kana Legazpi City Convention Center. And presente digdi may mga key officials sa digdi hali sa man iba mga lokal na gobyerno kan Bicol Region niya presente digdi tangani mga tindir po kan closing program. And nangingenot digdi kasubago nahiling ta si dating Vice Presidente kan Pilipinas asin ngunyan alkalde po tabi kan Naga City si Mayor Leni Robredo na iyuman ang mangingenot sa pag-akseptar kan award na makukuha ninda bilang basado man kaya duman sa official asin kan tabulation kan DepEd Bicol. Naga City nangingenot po tabi sa may pinakadakol na mga medalya na natipon para po sa sarong simanang kompetisyon. Nabasado digdi sa indang official tally board. Naga City nakatipon in 77 na medals, gold medals po yan. Sinundan kan probinsya kan Albay na may 65 medals. Camarines Norte na may nasa ikatulong pwesto na may 56 gold medal. Ang Legazpi City na mantinir po nindaan sa indang ranking kumpara kan mga nakalis na taon na nasa ikaapat na pwesto na may 48 gold medal, 37 silver asin 37 man na bronze medal. Camarines Sur, igo po tabi ni 47 gold medal. Masbate Province may 46 na gold medal. Ang Sorsogon Province may 30 medals na gold. As in, ang Ligao City, igo po nin 23 na gold medal. Hindi kaya po sa nagpapadago sa kompetisyon na ini o sa kakatapos na kompetisyon na ini, ang pigbabasehan ni basado man sa mga key official kan DepEd. Kung si isay itong delegasyon na may pinakadakol na gold medal, iyo po ang tatauan in recognition as in iyo ang itatanghal bilang overall champion. Sa presente, yaon di kasuhapon na inot naman kita nagbisita sa mga billeting areas digdi sa manibang parte ng Legazpi City kung sa kasuhapon na early morning as in early afternoon naman nagkaigwa naman itong sa mga delegasyon luway-luway naman sindang nag-oruli duman sa mga lugar as in Pero totoo, as in maaraman ta itong mga mensahe man kan mga key officials na niya ang pudigdi. And ang mensahe, ang messages itatao po tabi iyan ni Regional Director Gilbert Sadsad, ipuan pamayo kan DepEd Regional Office number 5. Ang announcement of winners, as in itong awarding, papanginutan po yan ni R.D. Gilbert. Kaibanan po si Assistant Regional Director Bibiano Centillas, si Schools Division Superintendent kan SDO Legazpi bilang man ang host city. Papanginutan po yan ni SDS Danilo Despi, ni Regional Sports Co-Officer Francisco Dexter Season. And totoo, basta na naman sa ginibong ultimong press conference kasuhapon kan DepEd Bicol, mismong si Sorsogon Governor Buboy Hamor ang nag-request ni na pagkakaigwan ni sarong ceremonial turnover man, handover kay itong hosting of 2027 palarong Bicol. Kaya totoo, piglalauman na mag-abot digdi sa tuyang lokasyon, digdi sa Legazpi City Convention Center, ang gobernador po tabi kana probinsya kan Sorsogon. Ngunyan nato ko duman ang linya sa may ampangan kan Legazpi City Convention Center dahil lang taon. Nagpapadagos ngunyan ang performance kan Mariners Majorette sin Jam and Darkor para po digdi sa nagpapadagos na closing program kan palarong Bicol 2026. So yan mga tugang ang naging performance kan Mariners sa Jom and Larry Car digdi po sa Legazpi City Convention Center. Kung sa ina ngunya na pagkaaga, nag-abot naman ang alkalde kan Legazpi City si Mayor 𝐏𝐶𝐆 𝐁𝐈���� kaiba na ang sports coordinator kan Legazpi City si Sir Marion Go and mga key officials inididi na maniba mga schools division sa DepEd Bicol dahilan po tabitang ngunya na pagkaaga saro ini sa mga dakulang aktibidad digdi sa Legazpi City. Iyo po ang closing program naman po kana Palarong Bicol 2026.
Because today is an exciting Saturday morning as we are all gathered for a triumphant celebration with our education leaders, coaches, technical officials, sports enthusiasts, and athletes from all over Bicol region.
For the past days, Ma'am Laling, we witnessed passion, perseverance, and pure athletic excellence.
Tama ka dyan, Sir Hill. Each athlete proved that sports is not just about winning medals, but of course, about discipline, teamwork, and heart. Sa bawat pawis at sakripisyo, nandoon ang tunay na diwa ng palaro.
And as we formally conclude this year's games, let us relive the pride, the unity, and the victories that brought us together as one region.
To begin our ceremony, let us all stand for the nationalistic song to be led by Miss Jonna Joy O. Rosales of Bangkerohan National High School. And please remain standing as we offer our gratitude and humility through a prayer to be led by Mr. Arnold A. Riodique of Taysan Resettlement Integrated School.
Thank you, Ma'am Joy and Sir Arnold. You may be seated. By the way, we are live at DepEd Region 5 Facebook page. At this point, we hear a message that reflects on the triumphs of this year's Palaro. Please welcome the Regional Director of DepEd Regional Office, Sir Gilbert T. Sadsad. Let's give him a big round of applause.
Thank you very much. Good morning! Talagang nandyan pa ang kanilang Anyway, before I give my appreciation and acknowledgement to the different local government officials who are here. Of course, the Chief Executive of Legazpi City, Honorable Hisham Ismael, with the city councilors. I've seen Councilor J.P. Lee and the rest of the officials from Legazpi City. And we also have Honorable Lenny Robredo of Naga City with Councilor Felix. And of course, the incoming host of the Palarong Bicol 2027. We have Honorable Escudero, the Vice Governor of Sorsogon Province, together with Councilor Lusada. Nakalimutan ko kaagad, sir. Sino pa ang nandyan? Wala na? Lahat ng LGUs na-appreciate ay na-acknowledge na ba natin? Anyway, kung sakali man meron dyan na hindi ko nabanggit, patawarin niyo po ako at malapit naman ang Holy Week. Willing po akong maglakad ng paluhod. Of course, the superintendents who are here from the different schools division offices, with special mention to Legazpi City Superintendent Dan Despi and ASDS Larry Miliano. At sa lahat ng officials ng SDO Legazpi City. Hindi ko na rin kayo iisa-isahin. And of course, nandyan din ang ating ARD-BEVs na siyang nag-oversee ng palaro kasama si Dexter. Francisco, Dexter. And of course, Chief Joan Lagata and the rest of the officials who facilitated the conduct of the 2026 Palarong Bicol. I cannot find words or adjectives to describe the overwhelming success of the 2026 Palarong Bicol. But our heart is full of gratitude and thanks to the City Mayor of Legazpi City and of course to SDO Legazpi City headed by SDS Don. Maraming salamat sa suporta at sa pag-host ng Palarong Bicol sa 4 na taon. Makakagraduate na po kayo. Kasi noon hanggang 4th year lang, kaya graduation. Wala ang K-12. Noon po yung baka ma-misinterpret ng mga ano. Kaya 4 years na sila, graduate na po sila. Sa sunod naman na mga henerasyon. Of course, sa ating mga athletes na hanggang ngayon sustained ang kanilang enthusiasm na sila ay maglaro sa mga paligsahan pampalakasan. Bicol Meet has ended today and we have to prepare for palarong pambansa on May 23 to 27 or 28 in Agusan del Sur. After wearing different colors representing your divisions, now you will be wearing the color of the region. Sa larong ito, ini-expect natin na meron talagang mga nananalo at meron ding hindi siniswerte. Kung kayo ay bata pa na hindi siniswerte sa ngayon, meron pa kayong next year and next year. Kung hindi naman kayo sinwerte at kayo ay hindi na qualified sa edad, meron kayong pagkakataon sa college. Meron din silang tinatawag na iskwaa o kaya yung prisaa sa private schools. What is important today is we will be honoring the athletes or the divisions who've shown their best. But looking into the results in the medal tally of all the divisions, nakita po natin na lahat ng divisions ay nagbigay ng kanilang best dahil lahat sila ay merong mga gold. Only that, sa lahat ng magagaling, merong talagang pinakamagaling. At mamaya, i-recognize natin kung sino sila. And I hope that those who will be selected to represent Bicol Region comes palarong pambansa, hindi nyo po kami bibitinin. What I'm saying is that continue that enthusiasm, continue that manifestation of your best in your chosen event or field. Na sana hanggang palarong pambansa, kasama namin kayo. Dahil gusto rin natin na ang Bicol Region ay umangat sa larangan ng sports. We cannot do it. Ang makakagawa niyan, kayong mga atleta, kayong mga coaches. That's why I am appealing to those who will be chosen to represent Bicol. Continue to practice, continue to excel sa inyong mga sports event. Dahil, sabi nga niyan, ang sikreto ng pag-asenso, ng pag-taas o pag-angat ay determinasyon, disiplina, at patuloy na pag-sharpen ng inyong kagalingan. And that is through practice. And of course, I continue to appreciate and commend the effort also of all the officials na nag-facilitate sa mga different games na ginawa natin. My salute to everyone for being fair, for being just, and for making your event a big success. Sa lahat po, maraming salamat and see you in the Palarong Pambansa 2026 in Agusan del Sur. Thank you.
A round of applause para sa ating Regional Director, RD Sadsad. Once again, maraming salamat po, RD, for that empowering message.
And now, the moment we have all been waiting for has finally arrived.
Tama, ang pagkilala sa husay galing at dedikasyon ng ating mga atleta. But this time, can we quickly listen to your sounding yells? Pwede po bang pakinggan namin ang yells or cheers, this time from the province divisions? Or cheering for the province divisions?
Woo! Province
Yes.
divisions! What about from the city divisions? To assist in the awarding ceremony, may we call on Regional Director Gilbert T. Sadsad,
Assistant Regional Director Bebiano I. Centillas,
Schools Division Superintendent Danilo E. Despi,
ESSD Chief Education Supervisor Madam Joanne L. Lagata,
Regional Sports Officer Francisco Dexter O. Sison,
we also have our Regional Director from DepEd Central Office and Palaro Monitoring Official Madam Nenet Esplana Alama.
We also request our co-host for today, Ma'am Carlita Briones and Sir Ralph Bulawan to do the honors.
Yes, thank you so much, Ma'am Lalaine and Sir Hill. We now have the awarding of 2026 Palarong Bicol Special Awards. Most Functional LRP Desk. May we invite the presenters, Maria Cristina G. Barroso, Silver Rose Nile L. Ulisha, Luisa Fe Montaz, and Francine Luis Mandrilla.
The most functional LRP desk, third place, will receive a cash prize of 2,000 pesos and a plaque of recognition. Third place, most functional learner rights and protection days, goes to Schools Divisions Office of Albay. For the second place, will receive a cash prize of 3,000 pesos and a plaque of recognition. The second place most functional LRP desk goes to SDO Iriga City. And the most functional LRP desk, first place, will receive a cash prize of 5,000 pesos and a plaque of recognition, SDO Masbate Province.
The next award will be the cleanest, greenest, and most eco-friendly award. We would like to request the presenters, Engineer Shannon D. Abogado and Roy Rapsing.
With pride and appreciation, we now present the cleanest, greenest, and most eco-friendly delegation award to the team that has truly shown that respect for nature goes hand in hand with the spirit for sportsmanship. To receive 5,000 pesos and a plaque of recognition, the third place goes to SDO Camarines Norte. To receive 7,000 pesos and a plaque of recognition, the second place goes to SDO Tabaco City. Okay, and to receive a plaque of recognition and 10,000 pesos, the cleanest, greenest, and most eco-friendly delegation goes to, and still, SDO Albay.
Pagpupunyagin ang sigla, bawat hakbang, isang pangarap sa puso't diwa, tagumpay ating yakap.
Our next award is the most disciplined. And may we request the presenters, Marites O. Rabulan, ND2, and Nathaniel Benosa.
Good morning, everyone. We shall now come to the ranks for the most disciplined delegation. For the third place, rank 3, to receive 5,000 also in cash or check. Then we have also the plaque of recognition. We have congratulations to SDO Camarines Norte. The second place also to receive an amount of 7,000 and a plaque of recognition. Congratulations to SDO Tabaco City.
Isang pangarap sa puso't diwa, tagumpay ating yakap.
our rank 1 also to receive an amount of 10,000 pesos and a plaque of recognition. Congratulations to SDO Camarines Sur.
Ano nang mayon ating lakbayin, tatag na puso ating bitbitin.
The last special award that will be given is the most organized. May we call on the presenter, Engineer Emil Olmeda and Engineer Warren Dasilio.
Ladies and gentlemen, we now move on to the awarding of one of the most anticipated recognitions of the event, the Most Organized Delegation Award. This award is given to the delegation that demonstrated outstanding discipline, unity, coordination, and organization throughout the event. Their teamwork, preparation, and commitment truly stood out. And now for the third place. The third place will receive 5,000 pesos and a plaque of recognition. And now, the most organized delegation third place goes to SDO Albay.
Pagbubunyagin ang sigla, bawat hakbang, isang pangarap sa puso't diwa, tagumpay ating yakap.
The second place goes to SDO Camarines Sur. And now, the moment we've been waiting for, the first place goes to SDO Tabaco City. The first place will receive an amount of 10,000 pesos and also a plaque of recognition. Congratulations to all the winners for your remarkable organization. Thank you.
Isang agika, pagpupunyagin ang sigla, bawat hakbang, isang pangarap sa puso't diwa, tagumpay ating yakap.
Thank you so much. Congratulations to the winners. And likewise, we would like to thank R.D. Gilbert Sadsad for the cash prizes.
We now proceed with the awarding of winners for the 2026 Palarong Bicol, beginning with the elementary category. May we once again request to be on stage up front, Sir Gilbert Sadsad, Sir Bebs, Sir Dan Despi, Sir Dexter, and Ma'am Joanne, together with Ma'am Neneth.
To assist us in the awarding, may we also request Miss Cristina Minya of SDO Legazpi City. Our clerk, of course, chairperson, elementary level. Elementary level, third runner-up, Camarines Sur.
isang pangarap sa puso't diwa, tagumpay ating yakap.
Second runner-up, Albay Division.
Uragon, palarong Bicol, isang alika, pagpupunyagin ang sigla, bawat hakbang, isang pangarap sa puso't diwa, tagumpay ating yakap.
First runner-up, Camarines Norte.
Ano nang mayon ating lakbayin, tatag na puso ating bitbitin.
Oragon ng hanggan, may natin makakakamtan. Sigaw ng Bicol,
And the champion in elementary level, Legazpi City.
sa hangin
To receive the award, may we request Honorable 𝐏𝐀𝐋𝐀𝐌 Ismail, Sir Dan Despi, and Sir Larry Miliano.
Palarong Bicol, isang alika, pagpupunyagin ang sigla, bawat hakbang, isang pangarap sa puso't diwa, tagumpay ating yakap.
We move on to the secondary level. Third runner-up is Camarines Norte.
walang hadlang. Sigaw ng Bicol, sa hangin lumipad. Lakas ng Bicol, sa hamon ay di magigiba. Sigaw ng Bicol, sa hangin lumipad. Lakas ng Bicol, sa hamon ay di magigiba.
Second runner-up is Masbate Province.
Isang alika, pagpupunyagin ang sigla, bawat hakbang, isang pangarap sa puso't diwa, tagumpay ating yakap.
And for the first runner-up is Albay.
Sumigaw sa hangin, lumulaw sa saya, tangan ng pangarap, iwan ang dala. Higaw ng tagumpay, maririnig na, tatak Oragon, tayo ang bida.
And the champion for the secondary level is Naga City.
Isang pangarap sa puso't
May we
diwa,
request
tagumpay ating
Mayor Leonor Robredo to please receive the award for Naga City
pagpupunyagin ang sigla, bawat hakbang,
together with the SDO executives.
sa puso't diwa, tagumpay ating yakap.
Sigaw ng Bicol, sa hangin lumipad. Lakas ng Bicol, sa hamon ay di magigiba. Sigaw ng Bicol, sa hangin lumipad. Lakas ng Bicol, sa hamon ay di magigiba.
We proceed with Para Games. Third runner-up is Albay.
Tagumpay ating yakap. Uragon, palarong Bicol, isang alika, pagpupunyagin ang sigla, bawat hakbang, isang pangarap sa puso't diwa, tagumpay ating yakap.
runner-up, Masbate City.
Oragon, palarong Bicol, isang alika, pagpupunyagin ang sigla, bawat hakbang, isang pangarap, sa puso't diwa, tagumpay ating yakan.
Sigaw ng Bicol,
Palarong
sigaw ng Bicol.
First runner-up, Naga City.
Sigaw ng Bicol,
Palarong Bicol. Oragon, palarong Bicol, isang alika, pagpupunyagin ang sigla, bawat hakbang, isang pangarap, sa puso't diwa, tagumpay ating yakan. Ano nang mayon ating lakbayin?
And the Para Games champion is Camarines Sur.
ng hanggan, pa'y natin makatampay. Sigaw ng Bicol, sa hangin lumipad. Lakas ng tibok, sa hamon ay di makikiba. Sigaw ng Bicol, sa hangin lumipad. Lakas ng tibok, sa hamon ay di makikiba.
Oragon, palarong Bicol, isang alika, pagpupunyagin ang sigla, bawat hakbang.
Now, we will be announcing the overall results. This blends together the elementary, secondary, and para games results. We begin with the overall third runner-up with 48 gold, 37 silver, and 37 bronze medals. That goes to SDO Legazpi City.
Sa hangin lumipad, lakas ng tibok, sa hamon ay di makikiba. Sigaw ng Bicol, sa hangin lumipad, lakas ng tibok, sa hamon ay di makikiba.
Oragon, palarong Bicol, isang alika, pagpupunyagin ang sigla, bawat hakbang, isang pangarap, sa puso't diwa, tagumpay ating yakan.
Before I proceed with announcing the second runner-up, I would just like to clarify that the tally only involves those of the elementary and secondary levels. For the second runner-up with 56 gold, 64 silver, and 62 bronze medals. Come up here, SDO Camarines Norte.
Tanang ang pangarap, iwan ang dala, hiyaw ng tagumpay, maririnig na, tatak Oragon, tayo ang bida.
Oragon, palarong Bicol, isang alika, pagpupunyagin ang sigla, bawat hakbang.
First runner-up with 65 gold, 66 silver, and 80 bronze medals. That goes to SDO Albay.
Ang pangarap, sa puso't diwa, tagumpay ating yakan.
Sigaw ng Bicol, sa hangin lumipad, lakas ng tibok, sa hamon ay di makikiba. Sigaw ng Bicol, sa hangin lumipad, lakas ng tibok, sa hamon ay di makikiba.
And finally, the champion tallies the following medals: 77 gold, 60 silver, 58 bronze medals. This year's Palarong Bicol 2026 champion is SDO Naga City.
Pangarap sa puso't diwa, tunay at iyakan.
By the way, thank you, Ma'am Yaying and Sir Ralph.
We will be temporarily suspending the excitement as we'll have the closing, as we have this year's closing and awarding ceremonies. For later on, we shall give way to the ceremonial handover for 2027 hosting of Palarong Bicol.
Once again, congratulations to all the winners.
At this point, ladies and gentlemen, masasaksihan po natin ang ceremonial handover for the hosting of Palarong Bicol 2027. This symbolic act represents continuity, unity, and shared responsibility.
To proceed, we once again request our Regional Director, Gilbert T. Sadsad, ARD Bebiano Centillas, and the leaders from Legazpi City Division. We have SDS Dan Despi, and of course, our City Mayor, Honorable Hisham Ismail.
We also kindly request our next host division and province of Sorsogon to join us here upstage. Of course, representing our Governor Buboy Hamor is his Vice Governor, Honorable Cronimar Antonio Escudero II. We also have our SDS Jose Dancilio to receive the handover for the 2027 hosting.
Kiyuhan mo po kami. Pag-kiyuhan niyo po.
Dear friends, nasasaksihan po natin ngayon ang ceremonial turnover of the symbolic banner para sa next year na hosting ng Palarong Bicol.
From Legazpi City to Sorsogon Province, the pressure is on, Sorsogon!
Once again, to our esteemed leaders, we invite you po to proceed downstairs po or sa baba ng ating stage because we still have some more unveiling for the official handover for 2027 hosting of Palarong Bicol.
Once again, we would like to request our educational leaders to go down the stage for the unveiling. Thank you.
Requesting RD Sadsad, ARD Centellas, SDS Despi, SDS Doncilio, and our representative from Sorsogon Province, Honorable Vice Governor Coronimar Antonio Escudero II.
Sa hamon ay di magigiba. Sa hangin lumipad. Sa hamon ay di magigiba.
For sure, everyone's excited for the unveiling of the tarpaulin for the official hosting of the 2027 Palarong Bicol.
We are also joined by the athletes from Sorsogon Province. Sorsogon City and Sorsogon Province.
Ladies and gentlemen, maaari po ba nating bigyan sila ng isang masigabong palakpakan?
That is indeed symbolic. Again, the pressure is on Sorsogon.
Isang pangarap sa puso't diwa, tagumpay ating yakap.
Sigaw ng Bicol. Sigaw ng Bicol. Sigaw ng Bicol. Sigaw ng Bicol.
Uragon, Palarong Bicol, isang antika, pagbubunyagin ang sigla, bawat hakbang, isang pangarap sa puso't diwa, tagumpay ating yakap.
Sa muli, isang masigabong palapakan po para sa Sorsogon Province and Sorsogon City as the next official host for Palarong Bicol.
Ano nang mayon ating lakbayin, matatag na puso ating bitbitin.
Oragon ng hanggan, may nating makakamtan. Sigaw ng Bicol, sa hangin lumipad. Sa hamon ay di magigiba. Sigaw ng Bicol, sa hangin lumipad. Sa hamon ay di magigiba.
Uragon, Palarong Bicol, isang antika, pagbubunyagin ang sigla, bawat hakbang, isang pangarap sa puso't diwa, tagumpay ating yakap. Ano ng dagat tayo ng bundok, may natin sa bawat pagsubok.
Samang bayan, isang hangad.
Once again, congratulations po, Sorsogon Province. May we extend the same support that we've had for the past hosting of Palarong Bicol.
To give us another live performance, let's welcome once again Mariners Polytechnic College's Foundation of Legazpi City Marching Band.
Winners Polytechnic Colleges Foundation Marching Band.
We continue with the awarding, second phase of the awarding ceremony.
Dapat pala sinetap natin kanina.
Alin po?
Pwede kasi to, wireless. Ginagamit na ng advisor namin.
Ano mo video?
Like, ayan o.
At this point, we proceed with the awarding of plaque of appreciation to the host LGU and division.
To give the award, may we request once again the presence on stage of our regional director, Sir Gilbert Tisad, our ARD, Sir Bibiano Isantillas. May we also ask Ma'am Joan Lagata and Sir Dexter Season.
We will first have to award a plaque to DepEd, Division of Legazpi City. Citation reads, Republic of the Philippines, Department of Education, Region 5 Bicol, Regional Site, Rawis, Legazpi City, awards this plaque of recognition to SDO Legazpi City for being the host of the 2026 Palarong Bicol, held in Legazpi City on March 1 to 7, 2026, given the 7th day of March 2026 in Legazpi City, Albay. Signed, Gilbert T. Sadsad, Regional Director.
We bestow the same award, the same plaque of recognition to the local government unit of Legazpi City for being the host of 2026 Palarong Bicol.
Palarong Bicol, isang agika, pagpupunyagi ng sigla, bawat hakbang, isang
We request Honorable Hisham Ismail to please receive the award. The city of Naga would like also to express their sincerest appreciation and gratitude to the LGU of Legazpi City as well as to SDO Legazpi City. They came up with a resolution. May we read the part of the resolution?
Resolution number 2026-173. A resolution expressing the sincere thanks and profound appreciation of the City Government of Naga to the Schools Division Office of Legazpi City for its generous assignment of Barangay Bita and its educational campuses as the billeting area for the Naga City delegation during the Palarong Bicol 2026. Signed, Lilian O. Pascual, Acting Secretary to the Sangguniang Panlunsod. Gabriel H. Bordado Jr., City Vice Mayor and Presiding Officer. And of course, Honorable Maria Leonor G. Robredo, City Mayor.
The award is both for LGU Legazpi City and SDO Legazpi City.
Oragon ng hanggan, may natin makakamtan. Sigaw ng bikot, sa hangin lumipad.
We continue with the awarding of certificates of appreciation to partner agencies and incident management team.
First, we have Engineer Clemente A. Ibo, City Engineer's Office, DAPDAP, Legazpi City. Engineer Andrew M. Belieza, President, Computer Arts and Technological College.
May we request for the presence of the recipients or perhaps a representative from their
Jean Ann C. Marquez, Principal, Genicom Institute of Science and Technology, Incorporated. Como Estelito B. Lagadja Jr., Commander, Naval.
Erosito and Miranda, Regional Director of the Philippine National Police, PRO 5, Camp Simeon A. Ola, Legazpi City. Director Joel R. DeFeo, Regional Director, LTFRB 5, Rawis, Legazpi City. Director Francis E. Milia, Jr., Regional Executive Director of DNR Bicol.
Incident Management Team, ACE Medical Center, Legazpi City.
Albay Doctors Hospital.
Albay Electric Cooperative.
Albay Police Provincial Office.
Bicol Regional Hospital and Medical Center.
Bureau of Fire Protection, RO5.
CDRRMO, Legazpi City 911 Emergency Action Center.
CDRRMO Emergency Quick Response Team.
City Engineering Office.
City Health Office.
City Mayor's Office.
City Tourism Services Division.
Coast Guard Station Albay. CGS Albay.
Coast Guard Substation Legazpi.
Daraga Doctors Hospital,
Embarcadero de Legazpi,
Integrated Coastal Resource Management Unit,
Legazpi City Fire Station,
Legazpi City Hospital,
Legazpi City Police Station,
Legazpi City Water District,
Liga ng mga Barangay,
Office of the City Environment and Natural Resources,
Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency PDEA RO5,
Public Safety Office,
Tanchuling Hospital,
Task Force Kalinigan,
University of Santo Tomas Legazpi Hospital,
We are also awarding certificates of appreciation to media partners, to our media partners. Radyo Siram,
May we request any representative from our media partners when your name is called?
Radyo Siram, Brigada News FN, Masbate News, Philippine News Agency, Bombo Radyo. May we request Miss Mayfloor Humamil to receive the certificate.
We continue with the awarding of certificates of appreciation to the following billeting schools. Beginning with
Daraga North Central School, Albay Delegation. For Albay Delegation.
Legazpi City National High School for accommodating the Kamsur delegation.
Gugon Central School for Camarines Norte Delegation.
Gugon High School for Camarines Norte delegation.
Bagong Bayan Central School for Masbate Province Delegation.
Bagong Bayan East Washington Drive National High School for Masbate Province delegation.
Arimbay Elementary School for Sorsogon Province Delegation.
Still, Arimbay High School for Sorsogon Province delegation.
Bagong Abre Elementary School for Sorsogon Province Delegation.
Rawis Integrated School for accommodating Iriga City delegation.
Legazpi City SPED Center for Iriga City Delegation.
Legazpi City Science High School for accommodating Naga City delegation.
Bitano Elementary School for Naga City Delegation.
Ibalon Central School for Ligao City.
Taysan Elementary School, Sorsogon City Delegation.
St. Roch Learning Center for Sorsogon City delegation.
Kabangan Elementary School for Masbate City Delegation.
Kabangan High School also for Masbate City delegation.
Bogtong Integrated School for Tabaco City.
Legazpi Port Elementary School for Catanduanes.
And San Roque Elementary School for Catanduanes Division.
We continue with the awarding of certificates of appreciation to the following working committees. May we request the chair and co-chair of each committee to please come up the stage to receive your certificates. If there are members of the community around, please join as well in receiving the certificates. The certificates are lumped together. Beginning with the Technical Management and Administration Committee. This is chaired by Sir Francisco Dexter O. Sison, co-chair Ernie M. Baranquel, And the members are the LGU Sports Coordinator of the host LGU and the Division Sports Officer of the host SDO. We also have the Technical Management and Administration, chaired by Sir Francisco Dexter Ozizon, co-chair Maria Cristina G. Barroso. The members are LGU Sports Coordinators of the host LGU and Division Sports Officer of host SDO.
We also have Palaro Secretariat, chaired by Romel Quinones of Legazpi City and co-chaired by 𝐏𝐀𝐋𝐀𝐌 de la Torre.
We would like to recognize the City Sports Coordinator of Legazpi City for being part of this Technical Management and Administration Committee. May we request for the presence of Sir Marion Go as we give this certificate. We also have the Technical Advisory Committee chaired by Sir Francisco Dexter Ozizon. The co-chairs, we have Danilo R. Morillo, Rowena F. Zamudio, Imelda A. Nardo, Fidel A. Vegim, Maria Genoviva N., Romel U. Quinones, Jose Pedro Dayandante, Gerard Leomel R. Estoquia, Rufino B. Arellano, Orencio M. Chavez, Ruel G. Frago, Rex T. Barbin, and Domingo Seth C. Botalon. Once again, we call on the committee of the Palaro Secretariat. This is chaired by Sir Romel Quinones. Co-chair is 𝐏𝐿𝐴 de la Torre. Members are Sheila Lynn Lopera, Jeanette A. Abitria, Aliza K. Avila, John Robert Edado, Myla Barado, and Mark Hill Madrona.
Technical Monitoring and Officials Evaluation Committee, chaired by Francisco Dexter Ozizon and co-chaired by Ernie M. Barranquil.
We also appreciate the Regional Screening and Accreditation Committee and Data Group. This is chaired by Attorney Bea Ann P. Baroma, Attorney 3, Iriga City, and co-chaired by Dr. Catherine H. Rabacal, Dentist 3, Regional Office 5.
Sports Supplies and Equipment Committee, chaired by Jeffrey B. Pagatpat.
We have also the Jury of Appeals Committee chaired by Attorney Domilin G. Silerio.
We also have the Clerk of Course, chaired by Cristina Minya of Legazpi City, co-chaired by Ada Santos Noora of Legazpi City.
Next, we have the Communication, Publication, Media Information Committee and Live Streaming Committee for the opening and closing program. This is chaired by Mayfloor Marie L. Humamil and co-chaired by Mark Kevin A. Arroco and Basilio Lieno.
Next is production team of Legazpi City and Albay. For Legazpi City, chaired by Nida D. Bernaldez.
Next, we have the Resource Mobilization Committee. May we ask the Regional Focal, Maria Cristina Gibaroso, and Assistant Sander Iron Aizon to receive, chaired also by Maria Eloisa Arellano and co-chair Narlene J. De Chavez.
We also recognize Information Technology Officers, chaired by Salvador B. Dayton, Aida Santos Noora, and the Division IT Officers.
The next committee to be recognized is Medical, Nursing, and Health Services, chaired by Dr. Israel F. Para, co-chaired by Dr. Catherine H. Rabakal.
We also have Safety and Security, DRRM, chaired by Architect Roland Alianza of Legazpi City.
Next, we have the Child Protection Committee, the LRP Desk Officers. The oversight, Maria Cristina G. Barroso, chaired by Silver Rose Nile S. Olicia and co-chair Luisa Fe Montas and its members.
We also have the cleanest, greenest, and eco-friendly, most disciplined, and most organized committee, chaired by Engineer Shannon D. Abogado, Engineer 3, RO5.
The same certificate of appreciation is given to the Monitoring and Evaluation Committee, chaired by Jocelyn O. D.
And of course, we have the Saludo Committee, chaired by Angela Atun of Legazpi City and co-chaired by Jeffrey Rizzo, also from Legazpi City.
Once again, thank you to our co-hosts, Ma'am Yaying and Sir Ralph.
Sa muli, isang masigabong palakpakan po sa ating mga naging parte ng Palarong Bicol 2026.
For the acknowledgement of individuals and committees that made this event possible,
May we now call on Madam Joanne L. Agata, ESSD Chief Education Supervisor.
Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Taus-puso po ang aming pasasalamat sa inyong lahat. In behalf of our Regional Director, Sir Gilbert Sadsad, our Assistant Regional Director, Sir Beb Centillas, and our Regional Sports Officer, Sir Francisco Dexter Season, pinapaabot po namin ang aming buong puso at malugod na pagbati sa mga sumusunod. Unang-una po sa SDO Legazpi City, sa pamumuno po ni Dr. Danilo Despi and our Assistant Schools Division Superintendent Sir Larry Miliano, sa lahat po ng SDO officials and personnel, most especially ang working committees ng SDO Legazpi City, palakpakan po natin sila. Sir Dan, salamat po sa walang sawang pagtanggap sa pakiusap ng DepEd Regional Office 5 sa pamumuno po ng ating pangrehiyong direktor. At ito po ay nangyari, sir, sa loob ng 4 na taon. Maraming salamat sa pag-host ng activity na to sa loob ng mahabang panahon. At lalo na po, Sir Dan, sa napakagandang himno at musika sa 2026 Palarong Bicol. Napakaganda po nun. So, ang sumulat po ng kantang yon ay si SDS Dan Despi at binigyang saliw at musika po ng kanyang team. Isa yon sa pinakamagandang highlight sa opening ceremonies noong Lunes. Maraming salamat din po sa City Government of Legazpi. Maraming salamat sa pamumuno ni Legazpi City Mayor Hisham Ismail. Thank you very much, Mayor, at sa inyong lahat, sa LGU Legazpi, for generously sharing the city government's multiple resources and also people. Lahat ay masisipag, lahat ay magagaling, at handang tumulong, at dahil po itong lahat sa iyong pamumuno. At hayaan niyo po akong isa-isahin muli ang pasasalamat ng mga taong ito, si Engineer Clemente Ibo of the City Engineer's Office, Engineer Andrew Beliesa, the President of Computer Arts and Technological College Incorporated, Jean Ann Marquez, Principal of Genicom Institute of Science and Technology, Commodore Estelito B. Lagadia Jr., the Commander of Naval Forces Southern Luzon, then PB Jen Erosito N. Miranda, the Regional Director of Philippine National Police in Camp Semyonola, Director Joel DeFeo, the Regional Director of LTFRB, Director Francisco Milia Jr., Regional Executive Director, REDD and Bicol, IMT Operations na kinabibilangan ng ACE Medical Center Legazpi City, Albay Doctors Hospital, Albay Electric Cooperative, Albay Police Provincial Office, Bicol Regional Hospital and Medical Center, the Bureau of Fire Protection, CDRRMO, Legazpi City 911, Emergency Action Center, CDRRMO Emergency Quick Response Team, City Health Office, City Mayor's Office, City Tourism Services Division, Coast Guard Station Albay, CGS Albay, the Coast Guard Substation in Legazpi, Daraga Doctors Hospital, Embarcadero de Legazpi, Integrated Coastal Resource Management Unit, the Legazpi City Fire Station, Legazpi City Hospital, Legazpi City Police Station, Legazpi City Water District, Liga ng mga Barangay, Office of the City Government and Natural Resources, the Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency, PDEA Regional Office 5, the Public Safety Office, Tanchuling Hospital, Task Force Kalinigan, UST Legazpi Hospital. Hindi rin po namin pwedeng kalimutan ang mga billeting schools na nag-accommodate sa lahat ng ating delegates in the 2026 Palarong Bicol na pinangungunahan po ng Daraga North Central School, Legazpi City National High School, Gugun Central School, Gugun High School, Bagumbayan Central School, Bagumbayan East, Washington National High School, Arimbay Elementary School, Arimbay High School, Bagong Abre Elementary School, Rawis Integrated School, Legazpi City SPED Center, Legazpi City Science High School, Bitano Elementary School, Ibalon Central School, Taysan Elementary School, St. Roche Learning Center, Cabangan Elementary School, Cabangan High School, Bugtong Integrated School, Legazpi Port Elementary School, at San Roque Elementary School. Palakpakan po natin ang mga eskwelahang ito. Gusto rin po namin magpasalamat sa ating mga media partners na talagang umantabay, nag-cover po at nagbigay po ng opportunity para makita sa entablado, sa TV, sa online, sa radio and television ang lahat ng kaganapan sa 2026 Palarong Bicol, lalo na po ang Radyo Seram, Brigada News FM, Masbate News, Philippine News Agency, Bombo Radyo. Sa lahat po ng working committees na walang kapagurang nagtrabaho, hindi ko na po kayo iisa-isahin. Salamat po sa inyo dahil po sa inyong lahat, naging matagumpay ang regional activity na to. Sa lahat ng mga division ni sports officers, sa mga medics po na kasama, sa mga schools division superintendents, assistant schools division superintendents, SGOD chief, CID chief, at sa lahat po ng mga SDO personnel, maraming salamat po sa inyo. Sa mga magulang ng mga atleta na lumahok sa 2026 Palarong Bicol, sa mga coaches, sa mga technical managers and officials, malaki po ang pagsaludo namin sa inyong lahat. Para po ito sa mga atletang Bicolano. Sa muli po, gusto rin po naming pasalamatan ang Legazpi City Convention Center na naging host din ng iba't ibang venues and also Expo Center. Maraming salamat Mayor Hisham and also the local government of Legazpi. Sa PNP po na nandun talaga sa lahat ng nag-aantabay sa amin. Ng maayos, ng masaya, at lahat po aming panalangin po na bitbit ninyo ang masayang experience ng paglahok sa paligsahan sa iba't ibang mga sports events. Hindi man lahat nanalo, gusto po namin kayong bigyan ng isang masigabong palakpakan. Palakpakan po natin ang lahat ng atletang Bicolnon. And see you all in the 2026 Palarong Pambansa in Agusan del Sur last week of May of this year. Sa muli po, maraming salamat. Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat.
Maraming salamat po, Ma'am Joanne, for your overflowing gratitude po sa lahat ng bumuo na makasaysayang Palarong Bicol 2026. Again, sa ngalan po ng Regional Office 5 and SDO Legazpi, thank you so much to our SDSS, ASDSS, Chiefs and EPSS, plus Palarong Bicol, DWG.
To our coaches, trainers, officials, leaders, and parents, maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Salute as well to the technical working group of Legazpi City Division. Thank you, Ma'am Cecil Pontuya, Sir Hilmer Ballesteros, and of course, the mother of the production crew, Ma'am Nida Bernaldez.
Yes,
Thank
of course.
you so much.
The same appreciation kay ating SDS Danilo Despi, ASDS Larry Meliano, CAD Chief, Madam Portia Encisa, SGOD Chief, Ma'am Soledad Noiles, Division Sports Officer of SDO Legazpi, Sir Dex Season. Palapakan po natin silang lahat. And of course, to everyone here today, thank you so much for making Palarong Bicol 2026 a celebration of excellence and unity.
Padagos Bicol
Hanggang sa muli.
This has been Gilbert Imperialandes
And Laline Raposon Apostol,
signing off from Palarong Bicol 2026. Mabuhay ang kabataang Bicolano! Diyos mabalos sa Indogabos!
Bicol, isang
And
ahika, pagpupunyagin ang sigla.
as we have some music of entertainment, we have Sir Arnold and Ma'am Sonia.
Tagumpay at iyakan. Sigaw ng Bicol, Palarong Bicol.
Bicol, isang adika, pagpupunyagi ng sigla, bawat hakbang, isang pangarap sa puso tiwa, tagumpay ating yakap.
Sigaw ng Bicol,
Palaro,
sigaw ng Bicol,
palaro, Bicol.
sigaw ng Bicol,
Palaro,
sigaw ng Bicol.
palaro, Bicol.
Oragon, palarong Bicol,
Isang adika, pagpupunyagi ng sigla, bawat hakbang, isang pangarap sa puso diwa, tagumpay ating yakap.
hey!
Ano nang mayon ating lambayin, matatag na puso ating bitbitin.
Oragon, walang hanggan, tagumpay natin makakamtan. Sigaw ng Bicol, sa hangin lumipad. Lakas ng Bicol, sa hamon ay di magigiba. Sigaw ng Bicol, sa hangin lumipad. Lakas ng Bicol, sa hamon ay di magigiba. Oragon, parang
Bicol, isang adika, pagpupunyagi ng sigla, bawat hakbang, isang pangarap sa puso diwa, tagumpay ating yakap.